He's smiling once again.
Go say hi to your
That's
friend.
how he feeds on his prey.
Then he goes straight towards the Anna.
He goes straight to one of the brothers over there. That's Jerry. He's thinking about how to eat him. He's not sure. He's thinking about it. Now we don't know. Now he's thinking. He's concentrating. He's at, oh, he moved in closer. How far he will get there. Oh, he moved back. He knows he's not the prey yet. I was almost there. Almost got to the prey. He extended his arm, just reach out to grab his prey. Now he's laying down. He's too tired to catch the prey. Now he's smiling after he's laying down, because he feels so proud to lay down for his hour and a half standing.
Oh, son, you just got denied.
In the world of Liam.
Where he finds his true love with Anna.
Yes.
Which means go say hi to your friend, Liam.
Go, Liam.
Go say hi to your friend. And know that he's actually stacking books for his own defense.
He's building a wall.
A Trump wall.
He speaks English.
Oh my god.
He's building a wall to keep us out. We always figure another way around it.
A new way that he'll
He
find
doesn't know how
us.
to build a wall proper.
No, he doesn't.
I don't know how fast he learns. He learns very slow.
He learns very slow.
So I don't know how long it will take to build it.
You know that we can see your face, right?
He's trying to build it bigger. So he's failing horribly.
Now he's just screwing things up like an idiot.
We see you.
We still see you.
Come on, keep building. You got this.
Remember that song, See You Dance? Sure do. We can dance. Dun, 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 dun.
Here we go.
Let's show this to Anime Club.
Oh, you're all about the Buckeyes. Whoa.
Ah. A nature document video.
Yes. We're talking about the spaceship Leo.
We still see you.
We still see you. I can still see part of your heart.
Are you a bookman
It's
now?
over.
His species conforms to
Look
a
at
book.
Liam just sucking it up in
Book.
the corner.
To the book.
Yes.
He's just like, I really wish I was only here to be seen right now.
Except when you see him clearly.
Clearly from right here.
Come
Ow.
on, Liam, you want to be on TV?
Right there.
From right here.
So we can have just a corner
How
time.
you been doing? How you been doing?
You know that we can still see you, right? And there we have it again. Building a bigger wall to block out his own predator. Yeah, this is why it should be good for
We
me.
can see you.
We can still see it from above. To the abyss.
Control.
We done. We should show this at Anime Club. Like when we had time.
How are your schools up?
And now that we
Now
can,
stop having to put out Shields of America.
and now
That's
we
not
can
school
clearly
stuff.
see his own head. That looks like a bunch of bread.
Not here.
We're going to scare him away.
Why not? Maybe
You suck.
We can see you.
We can see you.
Oh my god.
I,
Dallas, come here. Dallas, come here. I need to. Dallas, come here for a minute. I need to listen to this. I need to hear what that song is. I just need to listen to that song so I can look this up. You come here.
I heard a corn version of it.
What's the song saying so I can look it up? Let me see that. Very old song. Sweet Dreams? Alright, Sweet Dreams. I'm listening to that. Alright, send that there so I can look. I'll run the right one.
Sees everybody's. And now we have it again from our own house-style prey. Did you grab a manga?
Never mind, it's not working. I'm dead.
Where'd you get that manga?
She's watching it very closely. Come on. Keep following Liam, guys. For what? Chicken? Look at Liam! He's hiding! I just slowly walk back here like
My camera's kind of blurry.
Like, oh, I really wish it was over and I just don't want to go to school anymore.
Because it's my worst nightmare.
Yeah, Liam's like, this is my worst nightmare come true by that one song that no one has a nightmare about for some reason.
Because I'm a Leo. That's actually true about Liam's zodiac sign. He's a Leo.
Liam, you're
Finally,
a
I got you.
A Leo.
Wait, what?
I said Leo.
Yeah!
Yeah! Oh, jeez. Right, shit, right, yeah, shit.
Yeah!
Where's Liam at, though?
Oh.
Yeah. Well, she just, I think they're dividing it, the cake or the class of it.
Now beat up your brother. Before. Just because
Who's
he's so
actually
serious
coming in?
song.
Okay, that's Sierra. Hello! Guess who's hiding?
Guess who's hiding back there? It's Liam.
Liam the lion.
Liam's hiding back at that table. Oh, bring back the memories of the 1984 movie. Hold on.
Ghostbusters.
I think it's time. Hold on. It's perfect.
How many do you have?
Ghostbusters.
Yeah!
What you said?
Bring it back. 1984. Kill the ghost.
Liam, you can get out now.
In the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Something weird, and it don't look good. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Afraid no ghost.
Well, I'm gonna be.
They seeing things through your head. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Man, sleeping in your bed. Who you gonna call?
We should do this when we're drunk in the
Ghostbusters!
future. Hey, Jared and Dallas, we should do this when we're drunk in the future. Just play the Ghostbusters theme.
Yes! We have to do that. bring the old songs back.
Yeah.
I ain't afraid of no ghost.
No, I'm leaving.
Who you gonna
Cool.
call?
Ghostbusters!
I'm with you guys. I'm out.
You're all alone. And call
Ghostbusters!
I ain't afraid of no ghost. Wait, it's up there. I hear it likes the girls. Ba-ba-ba-da-da. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Ghostbusters!
You have stuff a freaky ghost, baby. You better call Ghostbusters. Darn, darn.
He's hiding.
Right, that ghost is somewhere. I know it. Let me tell you something. Bustin' makes me feel good.
You saw the Ghostbuster movies, I like them all.
Yeah, I like them.
They had a new one, and I'm like, eh.
Yeah.
I think I like the new one anyways because everyone talks too much crap about it.
You know.
Yeah. Especially I love the one part where the black chick is just like, the power of pain compels you!
Ghostbuster.
We should do this on Halloween.
Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call? Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
Who you gonna call?
No one.
Hey, no one. I bet you're gonna call
Ambulance!
Who's you gonna call? Walmart. Walmart.
We're gonna call Markiplier! We're gonna call John Cena!
Who are you gonna call? John Cena.
That dude was heavier than
We should
she
definitely
With that.
We definitely should go in the future. Like the three of us should just go walk around, play the Ghostbusters theme while dancing and singing it.
and
I
getting
like
drunk.
this one.
Oh, this one's better.
The
Big disgrace, whipping your cat all over the place. Singing, we will rock you. We will rock you.
Yeah!
Buddy, you're a young man, poor man, something in a sea, gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, you big disgrace, leaving your batter all over the place. We will
Alright.
rock you.
Other people are asking this right now.
We will rock you.
Play the Don't Stop Me Now song. Dallas. Play the Don't Stop Me Now song.
We will rock you. Singing. Oh, we will rock you. Oh, come on, we will rock you. Boom, boom, boom. We will rock you. All right.
Rock out.
I'm naming this Nature Document and Dancing.
Yeah.
I'm not with them. Not with them.
Play the Don't Stop Me Now song.
Oh, don't stop me now.
Nope. Nope.
Bro, I'm gonna play this on Google Music.
Yes, do it.
No. It's. Do it.
Oh, we have to do it.
Do it.
Fine. All right, Dallas, do another song.
Yeah.
Do Kickstart My Heart.
Please give this video.